Hello students, I welcome you in chemistry class. All newcomers, new admitted students, girls and boys are welcome in chemistry class. In chemistry we have to learn three branches one by one: physical chemistry, inorganic chemistry and organic chemistry. The very first chapter of chemistry is basic concepts of chemistry, some basic concepts of chemistry. Today we have to just start the lesson, and the first topic is what is chemistry. केमिस्ट्री क्या है ये जानना जरूरी है हमें. तो जनरली केमिस्ट्री इज डिफाइंड एज इट इज द ब्रांच ऑफ साइंस which deals with the study of composition, properties and structures of matter and the changes which the matter undergoes under different conditions and the laws which govern these changes. Since in chemistry we learn about the microscopic particles, means the particles which are not visible, very small, we can't see it with our naked eye, therefore these are microscopic particles, and these are namely known as atoms and molecules. Atoms, molecules, ions may be electrons, protons, neutrons, meson, positron, neutrino. There are many microscopic particles about which we know in chemistry. So in other words we can also say that chemistry is the science of atoms and molecules. This is also known as microscopic science. So this is the definition of chemistry, and many scientists, many learned person has defined chemistry in different ways. So these are the main two definitions of chemistry. Now, what we have to learn in chemistry and what is the use of those topics, those subjects in your daily life, how you use your knowledge in your daily life, how it helps in our development of nation, development of our state and development of our lifestyle. So in simply we can say that chemistry is very much important in our life, daily life, and it has a role in all stream of life. No life is possible without chemistry, but I am discussing here few important points about the scope of chemistry in our daily life. First of all, the very necessary thing for us, for our life, is food, and we know that food is grown in agriculture site, and in agriculture chemistry is very important because we use, or our farmers use, different types of chemicals to grow grains. For example, fertilizers, insecticides, fungicides, pesticides, all these are chemicals which are used in agriculture field. Number two is preservation of food materials. To preserve food materials for long time, we also use chemicals like vinegar. In medicine, this is the large, vast side. Our health system is dependent on chemistry. Almost all types of medicines are chemicals, and almost all types of sanitizers like Dettol, many other type, Savlon you use, soaps, detergents, These are also chemicals, and almost all medicines of different types of diseases are also chemicals. So chemistry is also very important in the field of medicine. In industries, it is said that the development of a country is measured on the basis of consumption of H2SO4. H2SO4 is a chemical. So, to establish an industry, chemical is very important. Industry may be metal industries, polymer industries, or many other type of industry may be. In cosmetics, you also use different types of cosmetics. All those cosmetics are chemicals. Not only in these fields, but also in the field of warfare, युद्ध में, we use chemistry. A small equipments or atom bomb, hydrogen bomb, these are the destroyers. Produce huge heat to destroy a region, many kilometers. These are chemicals, or these are possible with the help of chemistry. In short, we can say that chemistry is very important in our life. In each and every stream of life, chemistry is very important. It has an important role. We can't imagine our life without chemistry. Today's first lesson is this, and I hope you will learn all these topics. Thank you.